today I'm going to be reviewing the Khadi Neem Herbal Face Pack for you guys. I got this a while back and I've used it a couple of times so that I can properly tell you that what it does, how it does, and if it's worth purchasing or not. First of all, I've just used this on my skin, so this is what my skin looks like after using this. I really like the effect, but I'm not going to give it away right now, like whether, you know, it's worth it or not, because then you're not going to watch it till the end, and well, that's not a good thing. So yes, starting with the packaging first, this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the packaging. It comes in this steel sort of a, you know, packaging, and it has like different stickers onto it. First one says Khadi, then there's just the directions of use and everything. It looks really rustic and really nice to me. Somehow I really like things which look sort of, you know, rustic. I really like that. So we're going to talk about what it claims. It claims ideally suited for oily and combination skin. It smoothers, I think that's a wrong. Anywho, it says that it smoothers and purifies the skin. It also acts as a natural antiseptic, and regular use helps control pigmentation, acne and pimple. So I made my mom use this as well, so I have like two of viewpoints for you guys. One with a person who has like normal skin, and then one with a person who has sort of oily skin. Also, it is priced at 80 rupees for 50 gram of products. They do say in the direction that you have to use like 10 grams of it, but ideally what I thought, like 2-3 grams is more than enough, because you have to make a fine paste, and if you use like 10 grams, trust me, your whole colony can use it up. So yes, do not use 10 grams at one go. So I'm first gonna also insert the demo so you can see how you have to mix it and everything. I did actually mix it with my Khadi cucumber water. Let me know if you would like to see a review on this also. It's a multi-purpose water and I use it for hell lot of different things. So if that's something that interests you, leave a comment down below and I would love to do a video for you guys. So yes, coming back to this, I'm gonna insert the demo right here. So see the demo and come back. So this is what my face looks before this face mask. I do not have any makeup on my skin except an eyeliner, and that doesn't even matter because we're not going to put the face mask on the eye area itself. So I'm going to mix this face mask in a bowl like so. So the directions of use says mix 10 grams of face pack in water or rose water to make a thin paste. Apply on face, neck or body. Keep it on till it dries. Longer the better. Rinse with cold water. So I'm just going to open it a little bit. That's what it looks like. It was actually filled to the brim when I got it. So when I opened it, a lot of it spilled as well. So I had to use that as well. So I'm just going to drop in a little bit of that face mask. You don't need much, which is the good thing. So you probably need about this much if you're working for just a single person. But I'm going to put in a little bit more because I'm going to make this for my mom as well, because she's my face mask partner. So yes, once I have the face mask in there, I'm going to drop in a little bit of Khadi cucumber water. It says you can mix it with normal water or rose water. Rather than rose water, I feel cucumber water is better when it comes to summers because it cools down the skin. It has really nice calming effect. Basically, I'm just eyeballing this because I don't have like, you know, measured things or anything of that sort. And then I'm going to use my face pack brush and just whip this together. You want a nice consistency like this, and once I have the desired consistency, I'm just going to apply this all over my face with a brush. And now I'm going to let this dry for a good amount of time. So my mask is now dry. The way I like to remove is not under running cold water, but by taking a napkin and wetting it, and then I just go in circular motions like so, and the mask comes off so easily. Otherwise, if you like splash it with water, first of all, you're gonna make a mess, and secondly, it's gonna take you ages. So just go with the damp napkin, hanky, whatever you wanna call it. Go in circular motions. This will also exfoliate your skin a bit, and it will easily take off your mask. So this is what my skin looks after using the face mask. You can definitely compare it with what it was looking like before. The pimple has come down a little bit. I'm not gonna say it's completely vanished or anything, but yes, the size has reduced and so has the redness around it. So yes, that is my post-mask face. I don't have any skin makeup on. This is my face without any base makeup on. I just have like an eyeliner and a lip balm. Otherwise, my face has like zero amount of makeup, and I really like it. You know what I see, I really like what I see. So yes, coming back to the product, it has a very distinct fruity and you know, bitter sort of a fragrance. Like when you smell it at first, you think, oh, it's sweet, but then it has like bitter undertones, which is probably because of the neem. It is herbal, so it does have that, you know, sort of that sweet herbalish fragrance, if you can sort of relate to that. I'm not really sure if you would be able to understand what I'm trying to say, but that's what it actually smells like. You can probably go to a khadi counter and smell it, if that doesn't sound weird enough. So yes, this is what that looks like. So now I'm gonna talk about what it claims. Now actually the thing with me is that my skin is not oily, it doesn't sweat, nothing at all, but when it's humid in Delhi, I feel like my skin is like, ugh. It just craves some sort of thing that it can take away the oil from. Although there is no oil, but I feel like there is oil. So this is something that I love when I have that going on. I wouldn't recommend this for dry skin people because this does dry your skin a little bit if you don't moisturize it properly. Like if I don't put on a moisturizing cream right now, my skin is gonna cry. In a while. Right now it's fine, it's completely fine, but in a while it's gonna start crying. So I'm gonna go out after recording this video and apply a nice amount of cream. So I wouldn't recommend this for dry skin people. So if you're a dry skin people, just close this window, you don't need to see it. For oily skin people, this is really nice because my mom does have a bit of oily skin and it just takes away that extra oil and dust and grime. My skin feels really soft right now. It feels like it cleans out the pores and shrinks them back up because I do have like tiny pore issue right here. My pores aren't really huge or anything, but you know how it is with girls, even if the smallest kind of thing looks like to them. So yes, I have like really tiny pores. Everyone has pores, but I have like really tiny pores right here. So whenever I apply this mask, the thing that I notice is that my pores shrink up in size a bit, they tighten up. So that's why I wouldn't recommend this for dry skin people as well, because you don't need more tightness to your skin going on. But for oily skin people, they do need to, their pores to sort of like close back. So if you also have like an issue of open pores, I would recommend this for you. But if you have like if you have dry skin with pores, I would recommend that you use this just on the pore area as a patch mask. Hope you guys understand that. Coming back to the claims that it controls acne and pimple, well, I did show you guys this pimple that was sprouting up. It did like sort of dry off with the mask and everything, and right now when I was just going like touching it flaked off as well. So I think it is dying and it should be dead till the morning. So that is something I really like. The first couple of times I did use this product, I had no pimples going on, so I cannot comment on that. But this time I actually had like a pimple going on and I showed it to you in close up. Sorry for the grossness. So yes, I showed it to you in close up. So it did like shrink that pimple, as you can see, enormously, and that's what I really like. So it does, and it will control your acne. If you have an acne sort of an issue going on and you want something that should dry out your pimples, then do try this out. It will help you out. Also, the ingredient list says it is enriched with extract of neem, sandalwood, turmeric and exotic mix of rare herbs, contains no artificial colorants. That's what I really like about khadi products. The thing with khadi products is they're natural, so you know you're not putting any gunk on your face. If it's not gonna suit you, you know it's not even gonna harm you. It's not like some chemical which can have like a reaction with you, which I love. So yes, in the end I would like to say I totally think this face pack is worth the people who have oily skin or have acne or have pore issues. If you have dry skin and you have none of the other three things that I mentioned earlier, then I wouldn't recommend this to you guys. But for oily skin people, I would. Especially even if you have like issues with humidity like I do. Like I don't sweat, I don't have oil on my face, but because of the humidity I feel like my face is quite muggy. So I use this to just make my face feel much more fresh and just bring out that redness in my skin and glow and everything. I'm all about the glow life. And also if you have any pimple or something going on, just use it as a patch mask and it will dry out your pimples. So yes, with that I finished my review on this Khadi Neem Herbal Face Pack. Let me know if you would like to see reviews on any other Khadi products. I am a Khadi product hoarder. I love Khadi products. So yes, I think I said this before, but again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And yes, do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media would be in the bottom bar. So go ahead, follow me on my social media. I share my, these things there. So I had shared when I used this mask, when I bought this mask and everything of that sort. So yep, I think I'm just ranting now. It's late night and I need to sleep. So yes, I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.